What, are you recording? Oh, you ho! I don't have anything to say. I'm sure you do.
Not really.
You're looking at me again. Can you just like, I'm just photogenic, huh?
Yeah. Well, you said stop looking at you.
Oh, well, that doesn't count.
Why not?
Because you're still looking at me.
I'm looking at a mirror. You just so happen to be there.
See, it's not charging again. Why isn't it doing that? So, folks, what are you looking at? Purple. I hate purple.
Hey.
I hate purple. Don't you know that I hate purple?
No, apparently you like green.
Purple is the ugliest color in the world. Did you know that I only need 10 more credits in order to graduate? Isn't that phenomenal? Just a little.
That's amazing.
Look, oh my goodness. Tickets to see Talent Express. Oh my goodness. These were a whole $13.
Thought it was
oh my goodness.
14.
No, because I had ASB, so I got $1 off.
Oh.
So.
Forgot about that.
Exactly. If you had ASB, then
I should have said I did. They didn't even check.
Yeah, they didn't even check. Which is quite amazing. You ho.
Thanks.